The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making his way to the ring, representing the powers of pain from parts unknown. Weighing in at 309 pounds, the Barbarian!
The Hall of Famer, the Anvil.
And his opponent,
NEIDHART has proven to be an elite level athlete in every arena he's entered.
Nevada.
When you think about powerhouses, you think about the Anvil. Brute strength has made him a tag team legend.
NEIDHART!
A multiple-time tag team champion, WWE Hall of Famer, and the father of the one and only Natalya. Closed fist connects.
Oh, I heard a snap.
Bang!
Oh, man.
Oh, what a clothesline. Elbow drop.
Piercing.
What the heck is this manager doing looking under the ring? He can't be acting like this. Oh, my! And the Anvil has become possessed.
Anvil certainly has that look in his eyes.
Right on target with a stop to the gut. That's a free fall.
Into the cover. And he easily stops the ref's count.
He couldn't make much of that pin attempt.
Corey, Jim Neidhart is a multi-time tag team champion. How should he go about getting the victory on his own?
Well, it's true. The Anvil has had most of his success as part of a tag team, but he's also a ferocious singles competitor. He's freakishly strong and surprisingly fast.
Oh, man. Going up top.
Desperate attempt here to get back on his feet. Taking flight.
What a clothesline.
Can the Anvil come back from that?
Makes the cover. Oh, kick out at 2.
I don't know how he did it, but he's hanging in there.
Just how much pain is he willing to endure in this match?
And now the question runs in the mind, how am I going to be able to end this?
Carefully measuring their opponent.
Uh-oh. How's that for a counter?
Big knee. And right between the shoulder blades.
Taking a moment to get pumped.
Just carrying the opposition anywhere they want.
Targeting the throat there.
Oh, man.
Crackle. Pop.
Oh, diving in, using their cranium as a weapon.
Facing the Anvil is no small task. How do you come away with a win against an athlete as powerful as him?
Jim Neidhart is indeed an athlete, but think of his pre-WWE background. Shot put, football. These are sports that required short, concentrated bursts of energy. You need to grind this out and force the Anvil to tire out.
Boom! A running knee smash.
He is looking to do some serious harm.
As the arm bars stretch in.
Just stretching out the arm. Everything's working against Neidhart now.
Jim the Anvil Neidhart having trouble grinding this one out, starting to get tired.
And Neidhart's power being met in kind there. He's getting as hard as he's giving. Wearing down that shoulder there.
You have to protect your shoulders from hits like that. You don't want to compromise your ability to throw a punch or lock in a hold.
Oh, man. The Anvil. Camel clutch cinched in.
Give up now.
How do you counter the camel clutch?
He's prying their hands apart.
And a clothesline.
outside. He's testing fate here, in danger of a countout. Sharp jab. Series of strikes to the back.
And it's a double count out. Not the way we wanted to see this end.
And with an